Next, let's add a new section to our page. To do that, first click out of whatever submenu you're in. Then you could either add a section by clicking Add Section in the left side panel, or you can scroll on your page to the area between two sections, hover between them, and a plus button will appear. When you hover over that plus button, you'll see an Add Section button. Click that. A new pop-up will appear showing you all the different section types you can add to your page. Scroll through them and pick something that fits your brand. In my case, I want to add a testimonials section. So I'll scroll to the text section here and use this pull quote format. Then Shopify will automatically add the new section. And we can edit it quickly just like we edited everything in the hero section. I'll click this text, and in the text box, paste in a quote I have from a customer. Do a little light formatting, change the text size by changing the preset typography. We'll do heading 4 maybe. That's looking better. Next, we can change the appearance of the whole section by clicking on the section. And then under Appearance in the menu, we can change the color scheme. Here we have Scheme 1 set, and if you click the dropdown, multiple other color scheme options will appear. Let's try Scheme 5. This color scheme gives us a dark background and light text. Next, we can move this section to a different place on the page by going back out to the main panel, hovering over this pull quote section, clicking and dragging the 6 dots to the left of it, and then dragging it to a new location. Let's put it here at the bottom of the page. There we go, that looks nice.